The son of a high court judge is being investigated by police for causing the death of 3 men in an accident in Arouca on Sunday. The Toyota Rav4 SUV, registered number PEA 8829, was involved in the accident that claimed the lives of 3 cousins belonging to High Court Judge Carla Brown-Antoine. Brown-Antoine's son, 20-year-old Thadeo Antoine of Santa Cruz, was the driver of the vehicle that crashed head-on into the car driven by one of the deceased on Sunday, June 4, 2023. The accident happened at the intersection of Eastern Main Road and the priority bus route just outside the Arouca Police Station at 5 Rivers in Arouca just after 4 a.m. 30-year-old Christian Rahim, his 33-year-old brother Anton Rahim, and their 22-year-old cousin Nakasi Brown, all of Kelly Village, Karoni, died in the following accident. Nakasi and Anton died at the scene, while Christian succumbed to his injuries at the Mount Hope Hospital a few hours later. Antoine's SUV, according to the dashcam video, collided head-on with the silver Nissan B15 driven by Christian Rahim. At the time of the crash, Christian was proceeding west along the PBR while Antoine was proceeding east and attempted to make a right turn onto the Eastern Main Road. Police listed Antoine as the driver and at fault. Antoine doesn't possess a PBR pass in his name, although one was in the vehicle at the time of the accident. Christian Rahim also did not have permission to use the PBR, and no pass was issued in his name by the Ministry of Works and Transportation, and neither one was found in his vehicle. 20-year-old Chelsea Butcher, 20-year-old Chad Fagari, and 20-year-old Victoria Jaho, who were all occupants of the SUV driven by Antoine, were treated for minor injuries they sustained. The Arouca Police Station is probing the incident. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more.